so tired. I need a snack break. Do you want to join me to my snack break? Let's go to my kitchen. Hi, my name is Surya Tejas and welcome to Surya's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a snack with black chana. In Hindi they call it kala chana and in Telugu they call it shenagalu. Okay, let's get started. You know the ingredients you will need? You will need boiled chana, onions, tomato, grated carrot, boiled potato, chili powder and salt, chaat masala, freshly squeezed lime juice and cilantro. Also, black pepper powder. Take some raw chana. They look like this. Aren't they very hard? Next, soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Then they will get bigger and their skin will go off. And soft too. After, boil it for some time, then they'll get very dark. And they'll get very soft too. We can use this chana for many dishes, but today I'm using this for my snack. Now let's see how to make a snack. Put chana in the mixing bowl. Now add some onions to it. Now add some tomatoes. Now add some grated carrot. Also add some boiled potato. Now I'm adding all the seasoning. Now let's mix it very well. Now my snack is ready. Before I eat my snack, I want to tell you a fun fact. Did you know chana is a good source of protein? Now no more facts now. I'm starving. I want to eat my snack. So good. Thank you for watching and come next time. I hope you get the same one.